How to set up a VPS on Hostinger Beginner's Tutorial. Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on setting up a virtual private server, or VPS, on Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a VPS, including choosing a plan, setting up the server, and configuring the settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional VPS up and running, ready to host your own websites or applications. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Hostinger account and choose a VPS plan that suits your needs. Hostinger offers a range of plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. For this tutorial, we'll be using the VPS plan, which offers a balance of performance and affordability. Once you've signed up for your Hostinger account, log in to your control panel and navigate to the VPS section. From here, you can choose your VPS plan and configure the settings to suit your needs. You'll need to choose a server location, select the operating system, and configure the firewall settings. Next, you'll need to set up the server itself. This involves installing the operating system, configuring the network settings, and setting up the firewall. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. We'll take it one step at a time. To install the operating system, you can use a tool like KVM or Zen. These tools allow you to create a virtual machine on your VPS, which can be used to install the operating system. Once the operating system is installed, you can configure the network settings and set up the firewall. Now that the server is set up, it's time to configure the settings. This includes setting up the DNS settings, configuring the firewall rules, and setting up the security settings. Don't forget to update the software and plugins to ensure your VPS is secure and up to date. And that's it. You now have a fully functional VPS up and running on Hostinger.